next question comes from Instagram. Their question is, how do you recover bone loss and receding gums?
So the question is, how do you recover bone loss and receding gums? So the question is two parts. One is bone loss, and then the other one is the receding gums. And let me go back to the first thing, which is the receding gums. So receding gums, it's normally called as either receding gums or gum recession or gingival recession. There are many ways we can fix that. We call it, generically, we call it as a gum grafting. So the gum recession can be treated with gum grafting. There are several ways we do the gum grafting. In our office, for example, we either get the donor skin from the skin bank, or we can get your own gum tissue from the roof of the mouth or another place of choice. And those are the ways that we treat the gum recession. If you have bone loss, you have other ways to treat the bone loss, and we call it as a bone grafting. Instead of the gum now, it is bone, so we treat the bone or bone loss with the bone grafting. Depending on the type of condition that created the bone loss for you, so we have several ways to treat the bone loss. Either you can do some regular deep cleaning to correct the bone loss, because a lot of times we see just doing a deep cleaning may correct the bone loss. Sometimes you may need a gum surgery. It may not be correctable just with the deep cleaning. You may need some gum surgery, or you may need some bone grafting. In the bone grafting, we have several types of bone grafting that we do to correct the bone loss. Just like Reese says, come on down, and if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we will be able to help you. If you happen to be in another part of the town or another part of the world, and talk to your dentist or a periodontal specialist, and they should be able to help you.
Yeah, just give us a call. I'll answer the phone and I'll get you scheduled.